Alright, y'all, here's my 157cc inline twin powered Razor dirt bike from a MX 350 frame. Got some noisy gears on here, so when I run it, you're gonna mostly be hearing that as the mechanical noise. It's very loud. I don't like it at all. And that one, I gotta change the gear type to like those curved gears, those helical gears, I think that's what you call them. Got the back sprocket, engine generated on there. Shout out to engine generated. We have an engine generated air powered Razor dirt bike right here. And yeah, look at that exhaust right there. You got both of the exhaust pipes coming up to that exhaust, which is hard. Got the pro taper grips on there. Small gas tank, airline. Let's crank it up. All right, we got the air hose hooked up to it. See if it can crank up first start. How loud that gear right there is? It's so loud. I like my chain. Look at the red and blue color combination. And my exhaust actually sounds good. I like this thing, but man, I just don't like that noise. But it's so smooth, super smooth. I upgraded all the plastic. The first one was made fully out of PLA and things started warping and melting easily. But all this is ASA, so it's weather resistant and heat resistant, and it's stronger. So yeah, I like it. And if you look closely, it's that Galaxy ASA. Probably can't really see anything, but yeah, y'all, this is my Razor dirt bike right here. I know I already tried to ride it and it does have enough power to pull me. Surprisingly, like, it feels good. Like, the torque is just there. All type of stuff. I'm gonna try to put a riding video in this thing. The air hose outside. We're about to try to ride this thing just in a straight line across the parking lot. Oh, it's weird though. The throttle, I actually gotta hold the thing like this, but we gon' see what happens. Y'all, this the first air engine Razor bike. Let's go. Oh, y'all, it ran. Y'all, it ran from all the way over there at the fence. Bro. Oh, snap. Yeah, y'all, this is a success, bro. Oh. All right, y'all, we gonna try this a second time. Let's back up. I want as much space to go as possible. All right, give it a push start. Y'all, that's loud, it's running. All right, y'all, I'm done. That's crazy, y'all. That's wild. Y'all, that's wild. That is wild. That's wild, y'all. The Razor dirt bike in action right here. It works. The 3D printed. I just need an air tank to make it like portable. Right now, it's like a wired tool or something. Now I just gotta put a battery pack in it or something like that. Like, which the battery pack is just that air tank. Oh my gosh, y'all, that's wild. What do y'all think? What do y'all think about this? We still gotta do a burnout. I'm about to do a burnout for y'all. All right, y'all, we about to do the burnout right here. Let's see if we can burn some rubber for real. I think I'm messing up the concrete. But I also did burn some rubber. Y'all, and the chain is working and all that. Hey, shout out to everybody who said the chain wouldn't work. Like, everything on here is working. Everything y'all say that don't work, it works. Everything y'all say I can't do, I do it. That's wild. I just reached a whole new milestone. This is crazy. The exhaust fell off, but I don't care. I ain't gonna lie, I do not care. Let me know what y'all think about this. This is the Razor dirt bike conversion, engine generated Razor dirt bike conversion. So wow, check me out on Maker World. I might upload the files to, I already got the files to this engine, but I don't have the chain and exhaust and that little stand right there to make your own thing. But I might do that too. Put the engine generated sprocket on there. Yeah, y'all, share this video with anybody and bet 100 that they never seen it before.